What's up, y'all? It's your boy, ProFab Florida, and just wanted to give you guys an update, man. We haven't posted a video in a while. We just got crazy busy, wrapped up in getting cars done. We weren't really filming, weren't really liking how the videos were coming out. Audio was a little rough, it's hard to hear, so we stepped our game up. Got a Hero 9 GoPro with some mods to it. Hopefully you can hear us a lot better. Right now CJ fractured his shoulder, so he's out, so I'm solo dolo over here, but getting it done. He'll be back soon, and we'll give you an update. Some of these videos are from before, and some of them are now that we got the new camera, so I'm sure you'll notice a little bit of a difference, and hope you guys enjoy. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. Peace. What up, y'all? This is John Lopez's Chrysler Newport. Pretty sweet car. He brought it to us, changed the rear suspension on it, had a mono-leaf system with some air shocks. Just wasn't doing the job, man. They dragged the ground. This wasn't a great system, so we cut all that off, rebagged the whole back, linked it, track bar, got her riding good. Didn't really want to cut into the car, so we just went as low as we could without notching the frame and cutting into the floor. John took it to one show, liked how it rode, said, you know what, let's make this sucker lower. So we brought it back in, notched the frame, cut out some of the floor, lifted the shock and the bag mount so it'd get lower, and this is where she sits, guys. Pretty sweet car. Pretty happy with how it all came out, and it looks damn cool. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the cruise ship is headed home. She came back for a couple more rounds of mods to it. We weren't happy with the bed, so we went ahead and built a whole new bed for it. And that was the last thing we weren't really happy with about it. So here it is, full sheet metal bed, all smooth, handmade tubs. We also threw a back bumper on it, stock back bumper, some clear tails. And she's ready for her next step, and I think next is interior and paint, and this sucker will be done.
The shit out of Lee just did.
So here we have Randy's OBS single cab. It was body dropped by another dude in his club, in Negative Camber Car and Truck Club, and he had the interior done by the garage in Orlando. They did all the system, interior, everything, from what I know. And we went ahead and put new control arms on it. We narrowed the track width. We used a company that just wasn't really set up for the 22s, so we had to move the shock mount, a couple things, but we've got her working now, and he's gonna pick her up in a couple days and hit Slamfest 20 with it. So be on the lookout for this girl this weekend.